What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the XT bottom bracket. Very standard bottom bracket. Just wanted to do a quick video in case any of you wanted to know the weight and what's inside the box. So let's get started. So let's get to unboxing. So this is a BSA threaded standard bottom bracket. It's going on my Stumpjumper Evo. I'm doing a Shimano drivetrain, so I just wanted to keep the same theme and do the XT bottom bracket. It wasn't too expensive. I think it was around like $25. But yeah, we're gonna weigh it to see how light it is. So just some instructions and whatnot, and then some of the other pieces. So let's see how much it weighs. So we're gonna put all these pieces together, and it comes in at 84 grams. So, you know, light bottom bracket. There's not too many other options really to lighten up your bottom bracket. You might get a few grams here and there. Wasn't too worried about that. $25 XT bottom bracket. Can't really beat it. So yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.